Hello everyone, Namaste. Hope you all are doing good. In today's video, we are going to learn a simple technique of duplicating objects around a circle in Adobe Illustrator. If you are new to this channel, please consider subscribing and also hit the bell icon so that you don't miss any of my future updates which will be helpful for you. So let's get started. Open Adobe Illustrator and create a new document of 1920 by 1080 pixels. You can do this by selecting WebLarge preset from the web menu and click create. First, draw a circle by selecting the ellipse tool so that we have a base circle to duplicate objects around. Then I am going to draw an oval on top of this circle and align it to the center. Here you can draw any shape you want. Select the object and open the rotate tool. Now hold the Alt key and click on the center of the circle. I want to have 10 objects around this circle. Here's the simple formula. Divide the number 360 by the number of objects you want. As we get 36 as an answer, let's set the rotation angle to 36 degrees and click copy. Now I am going to hold the Ctrl key and keep pressing D till I duplicate 10 objects around the circle, and we are done. I'll show you another example by drawing a flat design flower using this technique. Give it a thumbs up if you like the video, share it with your friends, and don't hesitate to ask any queries in the comment box. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.